Little kiwis.
Colors. What things are blue around us? Blue. The cap is blue. The sky is blue. The blueberries are blue. The shirt is blue. The crayon is blue. The bird is blue. What things are red around us? Red. The bell pepper is red. The rose is red. The apple is red. The ladybug is red. The strawberry is red. The car is red. What things are green around us? Green. The tree is green. The kiwi is green. The frog is green. The broccoli is green. The glove is green. The alligator is green. What things are orange around us? Orange. The basketball is orange. The carrot is orange. The goldfish is orange. The pumpkin is orange. The fox is orange. The socks are orange. What things are yellow around us? Yellow. The duck is yellow. The lemon is yellow. The sunflower is yellow. The banana is yellow. The corn is yellow. The bus is yellow. What things are purple around us? Purple. The grapes are purple. The lavender is purple. The octopus is purple. The eggplant is purple. The butterfly is purple. The necklace is purple. What things are pink around us? Pink. The cupcake is pink. The flower is pink. The bow is pink. The flamingo is pink. The heart is pink. The balloon is pink. What things are brown around us? Brown. The chocolate is brown. The bear is brown. The wood is brown. The monkey is brown. The acorn is brown. The book is brown. What things are black around us? Black. The bat is black. The wheel is black. The crow is black. The glasses are black. The spider is black. The chair is black. What things are white around us? White. The cloud is white. The lily flower is white. The sheep is white. The tooth is white. The egg is white. The snow is white. What things are gray around us? Gray. The mouse is gray. The lock is gray. The elephant is gray. The nail is gray. The koala is gray. The bucket is gray. Blue. Red. Green. Orange. Yellow. Purple. Pink. Brown. Black. White. Gray.